Understanding buzzing like a drone. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Our focus will be on the phrase, buzzing like a drone. This expression is rich in imagery and can add color to your conversations or writings. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its origins. Buzzing like a drone refers to a constant, low, humming sound similar to that of a drone flying. Drones are known for their distinctive hum, which can be heard as they hover or move through the air. In English, when someone or something is described as buzzing like a drone, it means there is a continuous background noise. This can be used literally, to describe an actual sound, or metaphorically, to describe a state of busy activity or excitement. To understand how to use buzzing like a drone, let's look at some examples. Literal usage. The room was buzzing like a drone with the sound of the air conditioner. Metaphorical usage. After the announcement, the office was buzzing like a drone with excitement and speculation. These examples show how the phrase can vividly describe both sound and activity, making your language more expressive. The phrase, buzzing like a drone, draws its imagery from the sound of modern drones. However, the use of buzzing to describe a continuous sound has been in the English language for centuries. The comparison to a drone is more recent, reflecting the rise of drone technology in everyday life. This phrase is a great example of how language evolves with technology, incorporating new innovations into idiomatic expressions. We hope this exploration of buzzing like a drone has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary toolbox. Whether you're looking to describe the literal hum of machinery or the figurative buzz of human activity, this phrase can help you convey your message with vivid imagery. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the English language. Happy learning!